Hi everyone, today we're going to take a look at doing some percent work. So we have a problem here. It says what is 20% of 400? I'm going to try to show you two ways to solve this problem, one with proportions and then one with just translating this expression into math notation. So let's take a look first at the proportion method that we're using in class. We're going to start out always write down first is over of equals percent over 100. We always start that. Even before we even read the problem, we don't have to read the problem. We know we're going to be using this. The second step is just simple substitution. We're going to simply take information from the written expression that we're trying to solve, or the written problem, and plug it in to this little equation that we have right here. And by the way, this will be one of the most important equations that you remember in your education in math, probably all through high school even. So, we have percent. Well, look right here. We have a percent. So I'm going to rewrite it right here and plug things in, plug in different numbers. So we have 20 that's going to take the place of the percent. 100 stays. 100 is just 100. Over here, though, we have to put a number and an x value in one of these two places. Oh, look, we have an of 400, and here's of. So I'm going to put 400 right here. Now we have to solve for something, otherwise we don't have a problem, so I'm going to put the x here. Now we have a complete proportion and with one unknown that we can solve for. Now in class you learned that we're going to do a cross multiplication wherever we can and then divide by the other number. So it'll be 20 times 400 or 400 times 20 and then divided by 100. So it's okay to use your calculator here. We're going to have 400 times 20 divided by 100 is going to equal x. Remember, this times that divided by that equals that. So when we multiply this out, and calculator's okay here, we're going to have 8,000. 4 times 2 is 8 with 3 zeros. Use your calculator though. Divided by 100 equals x. If we divide this by 100, we end up with 80. So the answer to our question, what is 20% of 400, is 80. So that's how we do that. Here's the second method that I was going to show you. And it's a little bit different. All we're going to do is translate what these different terms mean. And for example, when we talk about what's the word what mean? We don't know. It's a question mark. Sometimes we can use a letter, any letter we want that's a variable, and we'll just call it x, because we don't know what it is. In math, is always equals. is equals. 20%, well, we can't work with the percent. Percent is an idea. We have to turn this idea into a number. You learned in class that we take the decimal point, and this is a whole number, so its decimal point is right here, and we move it to the left 2 places, 1, 2, and it becomes 0.20 or just 0.2. Of means times, and of course 400 is just a number, so it stays. So if we use our calculator, we multiply 0.2 times 400, we get again 80. So again, the answer to the question, what is 20% of 400, is 80. That's it. That's it for this little lesson. Recap. Thank you.